Welcome to today's instructional video on how to factorize the quadratic equation x squared plus 5x plus 6. In this video, we will go through the step-by-step process of factoring this equation in order to find its root values. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. Step 1. Begin by expressing the quadratic equation in its standard form as x squared plus 5x plus 6. To factorize this expression, we need to find two numbers that multiply to give the constant term 6 and add to give the middle coefficient 5. In this case, we aim to decompose the middle term, 5x, into two terms whose coefficients multiply to 6. After identifying these numbers, we rewrite the quadratic expression as x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. Notice how we have split 5x into 2x and 3x. This step sets the stage for factorizing by grouping, allowing us to rearrange and factor pairs of terms. Step 2. Next, we group the terms in pairs to facilitate factorization by grouping. Here is how it works. We take the expression x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 and group the terms as x squared plus 2x and 3x plus 6. We then factor out the greatest common factor from each pair of terms. From the first pair x squared plus 2x, the common factor is x, leaving us with x times x plus 2. From the second pair 3x plus 6, the common factor is 3, resulting in 3 times x plus 2. Now, we notice that x plus 2 is a common factor in both terms, allowing us to combine them. This leaves us with x plus 3 times x plus 2. This completes the factorization of the quadratic expression, and the factorized form of x squared plus 5x plus 6 is x plus 3 times x plus 2. Step 3. At this stage, we have the expression x times x plus 2 plus 3 times x plus 2. Our next goal is to combine like factors for further simplification. Notice that x plus 2 appears in both terms. This common factor allows us to rewrite the expression more compactly. By factoring out x plus 2, we get x plus 2 times x plus 3. This step effectively simplifies the original quadratic expression into two linear factors. Thus, the factorized form of the given quadratic equation is x plus 2 times x plus 3. This marks the final step, and the factorization is complete. The quadratic equation x squared plus 5x plus 6 is now fully factorized as x plus 2 times x plus 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.